Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add a custom border to your video in CapCut video editing app without any stress. Let me show you how. But the first thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and close this particular project file and start all over. So for that, I'm going to click on this cross sign right here to close the project file. I will close the project file. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply go ahead and click on new video right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select my project file, click on add. Then I have my project file right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select the project file, split. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select this one right here and delete. And I'm going to just split. So I'm going to click on here and delete this part right here. So right here, this is my project file. So I need to cut some part. So for that, I'm going to click on split right here. I'm going to select on here and click on delete. Then here we have the video clip right here. Okay, now let's see how we can add a custom border to this particular video. And I'm still going to crop some part of this video. Now to change the aspect ratio, what we want to do is to come to these tools right here. First thing first, make sure nothing was selected. Then we slide this way, continue to slide this way. Continue to slide this way and click on aspect ratio. The next thing we want to do is to choose aspect ratio right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select Instagram. So click on Instagram ratio and hit on check mark. Next thing I'm going to do is to crop this video. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and select the video clip in the timeline. Then having selected the video clip in the timeline, next thing I'm going to do is to slide this way. Continue to slide. Continue to slide until I get to crop right here. Go ahead and select crop. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I crop to this particular size right here. 1:1 ratio. So go ahead and select on that. Or better still, I can crop to 4:3 ratio. Then I'm going to adjust the video to fit in that particular ratio right here. Just like so. Once you're satisfied with the crop, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this check mark right here. So we have the video size right here. The next thing we want to do is to see how we can actually add. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and look for overlay right here. So we want to make sure we click on overlay right here. So click on overlay. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and simply click on add overlay. So having add overlay, select the video file, then click on add. And the next thing we want to do here is to make sure that we crop this particular overlay based on the size of the video we want to use. So for that, I'm still going to split the video right here. So split, having split, I'm going to select this, delete. And the next thing I'm going to do is to drag the overlay and make sure it fits in the length of the original video right here. Next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and make sure I select the overlay. Having selected the overlay, I'm going to make sure I slide this way, and slide this way until I get to crop. And the next thing I'm going to do is to crop to the same size, adjust the video fit in. Once I'm satisfied, click on this check mark to accept it. Crop, just like so. Then we have everything right here. Next thing we want to do here is to make sure the video overlay and the original video meet the same length. So for that, you want to make sure you drag to the last part of the video. Then next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, go ahead and click on split, and then select the part you want to delete. Then click on trash icon right here. Then we are done. So we have them the same length, just the overlay and the original video clip right here. The next thing you want to do is to select the overlay timeline. Having selected the overlay in the timeline, slide this way, continue to slide, continue to slide, continue to slide until you get to replace right here. So go ahead and click on replace. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to library right here. From library right here, you want to make sure you come to the search right here and search for border. And hit search. So here we go. You have different types of border that you can easily add right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available border as the case may be. So however, I'm going to go ahead and simply add this particular border right here. Once the border download successful, then you're going to see the preview just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on confirm right here. So here we go. We have the video. We have the border right here, just like what you see right here. Okay. And the next thing we want to do here is to see how we can overlay the video and bring it into the front of the frame of the border. Or better still, we can as well adjust our border right here to increase the width of the border. Now, how can we power clip or overlay the video into the border? Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead, make sure nothing was selected. Then we want to make sure we click on add overlay. Having click on add overlay, select the video clip, click on add. Boom. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and drag all over and make sure it fits in, and then adjust area you want to crop from the video. So I'm going to click on the video again, split. So I'm going to select the part at the beginning and hit on trash bin. Next thing I'm going to do is to select the video in the timeline, drag all over until it fits in from the length, to drag until it fits into the length of the video, just like what you see right there. So you can see a reflection of the border. Then we want to make sure we work properly on this particular border. So for that, we want to make sure we select the video in the timeline. Then we want to make sure we crop the video in the same side. For that, go ahead and look for crop. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose the same size and adjust the video. Then click on this check mark to accept, just like so. The next thing you want to do is to go to the border timeline, then adjust the frame of the border, just like so. And the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure we cut the video at this point. Select the video in the timeline, then go ahead and click on split, and then select the last part and go ahead and make sure you look for delete right here. So select this part and delete. And the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and we make sure we delete the first video right here. Select on the first video in the timeline, hit on delete, just like so. Next thing we want to do here is to see how we can fit in this video into the frame. For that, go ahead and select the video in the timeline, and the next thing you want to do is to slide it this way, continue to slide, continue to slide until you get to mask right here. Go ahead and click on mask. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select rectangle mask, then adjust the video and make it fit into the border, just like so. Once you're satisfied, then you are good to go, just like so. And then click on this check mark right here. So you can adjust the video as the case may be, adjust it to fit the frame. So once you're satisfied, then you can play the video just like what you see right here. So when you are cropping your video, you need to make sure that you work on the header, on the head of the video and some of the important shape on the video. Okay, so I'm going to select on the video right here again, and I'm going to adjust the. Then I'm going to go ahead and look for crop right here. Crop. Then I have to make sure I adjust the video right here. Then click on this check mark, and let's play the video. Let's play the video again. Now you can see that so let's play the video again. Now you can see it has been fully perfect and the custom border has been successfully added to our video in CapCut. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.